Aloha. Have a little break in the rain. So I'm gonna do the test outside while I can. So this is a sixth experiment, different version of the Golden Gate tourmaline. Black Orgonite. This is the shell. See abalone in there on the top. Copper filings. And the shell. I'll focus on there. This one. Flesh. It has like a basic design like the other ones. If I can pay attention to them at the same time. It's cool. This was the same crushed up shell, same everything. There's a quartz piece in there and a spiral. See close. Lotus. And this one has another line through it. Cool how these lines come through. This one, that one. This was another like some. Oh no, this was a Metatron cube. Same makeup. I can believe these have the smaller spirals in there. None of them, these ones have the bigger spirals yet. I also see that these containers are affecting the size of the design. So I'm gonna start getting bigger containers to see what else will come out, because I'm seeing that they're being restricted by their It's cool little markings on the top. Same kind of basic. Do this one right now. This was the one that broke. I put this in a bag because the ball itself had a crack in it from the last video, which contributed to the air pocket and the bubble on the inside. This is a different black sunflower, but the same basic makeup. See a little shell in there. But you can see the crack. The cracked even worse than that. thaw it out. You can see there's something in there, and I'll let it keep going. I'll do that one last. So this container is actually showing me that the designs are being affected by the container, because this one always uses, this container itself always shows a bigger or a wider design, and it's basically the same size as the container itself. It's kind of reaches out. So this is a Tree of Life, same makeup as the other Orgone, shell on the back. This is the bottom. Has a little bulge in there. Basic makeup. Like it might start raining in a little bit. Hurry up and get out of here. So this is a bigger Metatron cube. Shell on the back. And this is this one. This kind of came out like the Sri Yantra design with that little point. Very like defined. It has a bulge. You can see the bulge coming out of the top, popping through. Also pay attention while recording. Yeah, you see how those straight lines shoot straight out. Defined, I guess, like definition, like patterns are really trippy. Like a little point there. Look closely to the house. It's like, oh man, I like that one. That one. This one. Cold out here. This is the AUM symbol. Yeah, got a little abalone shell in there. Same makeup, shells. Alright, a tiny little spiral in there at the same time. That's this one. So you can see it. This is the bottom. Top, a little bit of a bulge right here in the top. This one shoots out pretty cool too. Man, really cool pattern. That's this one. Cold out here. different styles of sunflower. You can see it. Same basic makeup. There's this one. Like a different kind of pattern. Shooting upwards. I like how these lines are coming out here. These patterns are all different in their own liking, but that's pretty much it. Oh, got this one. Big one, the basic sunflower. Wanted to see what happened. Get to the bag. So, of course, it came out shaped like the bag a little bit, but oh, it really did kind of like mess with the inside as well. You see the kind of like spins and see inside there. So this is how it's sitting. This one like this. Still see the energy in the center there. The bag affected it a little bit. See the difference there. On the inside, I think. It's hollow again. Ah. Yeah. This one came out hollow again. My hand's getting cold, but let me use my other hand. See, it's like maybe it wasn't just the air pocket in there, but it kind of like, cause this bag wasn't there was no holes in the bag. You can see like definite pocket in there, and there's no. So I thought the last video was just there was that bubble in the middle in that hole because there was this crack in here on the bottom, a little crack on the side. So I thought it drained out because the water did drain out, but none of this water drained out of this bag, and it froze to a point to where you can see my fingers are inside of there. Same kind of cavity. That's the word I was looking for. So I created this cavity in here. Just from sitting top of there. That's a trip. So I guess it wasn't only the so I'll do another test next time with the same. I'll use this same one in another design that stands up like tall like this, and see if it creates a cavity like this again. Make sure it has no holes in it as soon as I find a container like that. And then we'll see what's up with this, because it doesn't look like any of the other ones are doing this. One of these tall ones. I'll get a taller one and test with the other ones, but it's getting cold out here, so that's it for the 6th experiment. Until next time, peace, love, harmony.